Hello, my name is Henry, and I'm going to show the basics of Selenium. So first of all, here are the steps of this video. We will download Mozilla Firefox ESR, which is a version that has the better compatibility with Selenium. And if we are going to use this with Visual Studio, what we will in future videos, this will be very useful. Second step, we will be installing the Selenium extension to the Mozilla Firefox ESR, and we are going to produce a simple test. So first of all, I'm going to search the Mozilla Firefox. I'm using a virtual machine, so I have a little delay. ESR. Good. So this version has an extended support, so um, people of Selenium can catch up with the new versions. If you just download the latest version of Firefox, the chances that some changes were made and the people who made the Selenium still didn't have it up to date. So you probably will find some issues. Here I'm trying to find the English version. Also, I'm going to install the 32 bits because here is a 32 bits machine, but you can pick a 64 if you want to. Oh, sorry, it's it didn't stop to when I want to. So here, stop. Okay, so I'm going to download, save, and run. Actually, I already have this installed here, so I'm going to reinstall it. But the procedure is pretty much the same if it doesn't have. If you have other versions of Firefox, you can you can use all of them, but I suggest that you have only one so you don't get confused. So let me check the custom options. It's okay. Okay. Yeah. So launch Firefox. Now we are going to install the Selenium extension. So we can go to this link here that I have here, or we can just search for it. Firefox. Selenium. Oops. Extension. So here it is. We just added to Firefox. Install it. We have to restart the Firefox, the browser, so it would start working. So now let me check if it is installed. Just come here to this add-on extensions, and yes, it is ready. Let me check. Okay, so now we have to come here to customize, and let's put the Selenium here. Actually, let me put it here. So done. And now we are ready for our first test. Okay, first of all, let me go to Bing. I will start the IDE. So here is the simple Selenium IDE, and like it's incredibly simple. Uh, it is already recording my actions, so I'll just type something here, search, and then I will assert. So I don't know. Let me search for Selenium. Oh, so I just click search. Good. I'll come here to this Wikipedia article about the metal selenium. Okay. So as you can see, it is already recording my steps. So now I want it to stop recording, and I will click with the right button here, and I have those available commands here, which are Selenium commands. So I want to do the first one, which is assert title Selenium. So basically, it's going to add this step into this list of steps here. So this first, we'll open the root, then it's going to click, it's going to input Selenium in the Bing, it's going to click, it's going to enter the link of the Wikipedia, and then it's going to check if the name written here is written Selenium. So it's pretty much this. And also in every step here, you can choose what kind of descriptor it's going to use. So now it is using, so for the first three, it is using the ID, which is an excellent descriptor because the ID is unique, so it will never get confused. Here it uses a CSS, and well, this is okay. Usually for Visual Studio, I like to change to the XPath. It usually works better, but let's just live like this. And now I can reproduce. So I'm going to click play. It goes to Bing. It did too fast. I can change the speed here, so let's do it slowly. And as you can see, it ran one time and it passed because it's green. If it failed, it will be red here. So I'm going to run one more time to show step by step. Go to Bing, type Selenium, click the link in the Wikipedia, and assert. Just that. One thing that you can do is, for example, I'm going to fail the test on purpose, so I'm going to come here and write potato. Oh. So it's going to run the test and check if potato is written here, and it should fail. So let's run one more time. And it failed. So it is working. So this is our simple tests. In future videos, I'll show how to export this, how to export those steps to Visual Studio. Let me just give it a quick glance. you can come here to File and Export. So you can see you can export as some languages. We are going to use this C# and Unity WebDriver, but if you want to use, well, you're free to use others. And also you can save this as an XML file. So that's it for now. Thank you and see you in the next videos.